question 9. Calculate the volume occupied by 1 mole nitrogen gas at 244 Kelvin in 1 atmosphere. So we look at this one and we're like, wow, that one seems really short in comparison to some. We can still use our strategy of making a table. So 1.00 moles is the first number, and 244 Kelvin, and 1.00 atmosphere. And we may say, look at that, there's no numbers in the second row. And then that might be concerning. And so look at the units here, moles and kelvins and atmospheres. Those are all different. So it's not that we put our table together wrong. Kelvin, so we'll put a T there. An atmosphere is a pressure. And moles. What was the letter we used for number of moles? N. N for number of moles. So that's N. So we don't have ones and twos. We just have one set of conditions. And this is where we use PV-NRT. PV equals nRT. So we've got PV equals nRT. And we are looking for what? Well, it says calculate the volume. And when we look at this equation, we have a pressure, we have N, we have T, and R is a constant. Thank you. R is 0.08206 liter atmospheres per mole Kelvin. It's this sort of equation, this sort of calculation, where we do have to be particular about our units. And the units in the ideal gas constant tell us what units we have to have. Our volumes in liters, our pressures in atmospheres, number of moles is in moles, and kelvins. And so let's look at these. We've got moles and kelvins and atmospheres, so we're okay. Here, if the pressure was in torr or some other pressure unit, we would have to convert it. So we're going to take this equation, which blessedly has no fractions in it. We're solving for V, so we're going to divide both sides by P. It's a bad looking P there. So V equals nRT over P. When we put everything in here, we've got 1 mole. I know it's tedious and takes up space, but put those units in there. 8206 liters times atmospheres divided by moles times Kelvin. That's an especially messy one. All of that divided by the pressure, which is 1 atmosphere. Oh, what did I forget? Help me out here, guys. I forgot the T. 244 times 244. Wait a minute, that's just too easy. So I'm coming up with a number of 20.0. Let's double check our units here. Moles cancel, and kelvins cancel, and atmospheres cancel. So the unit on my volume is liters.